Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making these delicious sweet potato fritters. We are starting by removing skin from sweet potato. After you're done with removing skin, then it's time for grating. Use these big holes on your grater and grate the sweet potatoes. Then you want to add olive oil, pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, baking soda, chives, harrisa, and a splash of almond milk. Then you're adding chickpea flour, and it's time to stir everything. Stir with your hands, and then when it's sticky, you want to form a ball, and then you tap it down to form these discs. Then you fry them on heated olive oil, both sides approximately 2 or 3 minutes. Be careful not to burn them. Fry them on medium heat. When they're fried both sides, remove them from heat and put on paper towel. It will absorb extra oil. After a few moments, serve them on your favorite salad or greens. Put a dollop of soy yogurt mixed with lemon juice, some fresh parsley, and enjoy. I hope you will try this recipe. It's super simple and so delicious. If you try, please leave a comment and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and see you next time. Bye bye.